The wild ride of the Yamaha YZ50, a hair-raising tale brought to you by full-bore bikes. Once upon a time in the rad world of the 80s, when mullets were majestic, women rocked as hard as the music, and spandex was a way of life, Yamaha dropped a gnarly bombshell on the motocross scene, the Yamaha YZ50, the birth of a legend. Production was 1980 to 1983. In 1980, Yamaha said, "Hold our hairspray and unleash the YZ50. This little beast was aimed at kids, but let's be real, it was a mini dirt devil that made everyone want to crank up the motor head to 11 and hit the dirt tracks. With a 49cc, 2-stroke, air-cooled engine, this bad boy was all about simple, raw power, just like a killer guitar riff from Eddie Van Halen. The smell of 2-stroke cologne filled the air, better than any whiff of Old Spice. Design and features. The YZ50 was a compact but sturdy ride, perfect for the young guns looking to earn their stripes. It had a manual transmission, which was like giving a kid a backstage pass to the world of gear shifting glory. It sported the classic Yamaha YZ colors and graphics, making it look like it was born to tear up the dirt to the sounds of Iron Maiden blasting from a boombox. Market position and competitors. The YZ50 was Yamaha's way of saying, "We got your back, dude." It was a starter pack for future motocross legends, competing with the likes of Honda and Suzuki. Think of it as the first step to a life of motocross madness, much like learning the opening chords to Smoke on the Water. End of production. Sadly, like all good power ballads, the YZ50 pocket rocket ended. Stay tuned for more Steel Stallions from Doug Barnett at Full Bore Bikes. And hey, before you whiskey throttle outta here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, dudes. Ciao for now.